Hey guys, Steve Gillard here, and welcome to another Destiny episode, and we're back to another Destiny. What leads us today is another Destiny, guys. And you guys are my little tourists, my little people. Yeah, my little tourists. And I'm the tourer, like guy who tells you everything. And yeah, I'm just gonna tour you around. I don't know how to say it, guys, but you get the point, right? In the last episode, we lived in the village, protected it for a bit. We made a bed. My bed! I gotta go get it. Sorry guys, I was getting ready and I got so mad because my phone was getting all messed up because of an SD card, a little chip. It messed it up so badly that I had to take it off. Oh my gosh, it took me a long time. I had to start my phone again. All that stuff. I got so mad. I thought I couldn't record anymore for you guys. So, wow, I was like so mad. You don't even know how mad I was. I was gonna kill the SD card and crush it. That thing messed up my phone badly. That's why I couldn't record for right now. But now I'm recording again. And another I should get some stone. Yeah, I should do that. I think I know where I'm gonna make my house. Somewhere like I always done. Somewhere I done a long time ago. I'm gonna see if I can edit that. Like I can try to show you where a long time ago. I didn't record that time. I didn't want to be a YouTuber. I was just a little kid. When Minecraft first came out, you can picture that in your head. I picture it. I spotted in a place like that biome over there, the oak wood biome. Just imagine a place here in the oak wood biome, and I spawned there with no materials, just the hearts. Just the hearts, guys, just the hearts. No hunger, no experience, no new stuff like right now. Back all the way to the past. I made a house in a mountain. It was pretty epic. Whoa, I want to make my house somewhere around here. I'm going to be proud if I make my house in a mountain. Like that one. But since that world is long gone, I want to see it again until I go back in time. Like, I wish they had a time machine already, so I can go back in time and get to see what it was. Maybe I could. Maybe I could. Oh, pumpkins! Oh, I started talking there. Pumpkin. And we're back with another Destiny episode, so... Doggy, do I have any bones? Yes, I do! Oh my god! I gotta get my first dog so it can help me on my Destiny. Where are you, doggy? Here, chicken. And I'll try to... What's dog? What? Ah! Woo! Wait. Yeah, I get it now. My phone doesn't like... My phone, how do I say this? It copies a thing, but not in the right time. Yeah, that's what I should say. Ah! Crap, I have to... I don't think I should live around here. Oh, one tip, the axe is the fastest weapon to mine pumpkin. The fastest thing to mine a watermelon is a sword. Is it guns will cut sword. Diamond sword doesn't go super fast. Where's the doggy? I want that dog. I'm not leaving without it. A quest, a destiny to get a dog. Haha. I'm probably gonna make like a series with this now. I haven't made a playlist yet, so you guys might notice that. But the next episode, I'm doing the, I don't know what should I do. Wait. What was next on my playlist? Wait a minute. Let's go back a little. Okay. What's next on my list? I don't know. What was in the, I'm gonna go check that episode out. I think it's Skyblock. Yeah, Skyblock. Skyblock's next on the thing, guys. Don't worry, it's coming out soon. Dang it. I want that dog. Where's that dog? Doggy, where are you? Oh, there it is. I want you. Please let me help you. Yay! What can I color you? I'll get you white. Yeah. You guys think in the comment section below. You guys comment. What should I call this dog? Alright. A quest. I don't know. So I'll call this episode Destiny to Find a Dog. Yeah, I call this episode mostly about getting a dog in the middle of the video. I don't know, getting new materials, getting new items, I don't know. Okay, where should my house be? Oh my gosh, this is a huge ocean. I think they're gonna add the Guardian place here. You know, on the PC. I don't think it's in Snapshot yet. Snapshot. Oh gosh, be careful, doggy. No. I want you. Ah! Oh. My voice is actually more darker. It sounds more darker than in the video. Like in the video, it sounds like a little child. You know, that's what it feels like for me. Holy moly! I don't think I can build my house. Where should I build it? Oh my god! I almost fell to my doom. Ah, doggy! Oh, he's right there. Don't worry, he's still safe. Ow! Oh, cool. I'm just staring at him like, oh, cool. Alright, let's start getting this. Actually, this Destiny thing is more funner than the Trusty World. The Trusty World was actually playing, because I didn't have no adventure. I was just gonna, you know, just do random stuff. Anyways, well, it sucks I can only record for 10 minutes. Hope I can record. I think I'm gonna record for 20 minutes. But let me see. And we are gonna. Yep, we're gonna go record for 20 minutes, guys. Woohoo! This is awesome. This is super awesome, guys. 20 minutes of this. Wow. Let's go explore more. So this thing is called, basically, I'm gonna call it this episode. I don't know what to call it. Oh my god. I think I left some code back there. I think I did. Anyways, guys, yeah, so I think I should build my house right here. No, 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 I want it higher. No, should I? Should I, doggy? What do you think? No, this is where the coal is gonna be. So I already mined some coal here. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, run. You. I think I should bring out my cut up. Actually, oh shoot, my dog scared me. Oh, doggy, here's your privilege. I'm eating and punching. Oh, shoot. Punch. Kill him, doggy. Ooh, recording. Ahorita. Sorry guys, I do speak Spanish as well. I think I said that last episode. Yeah. Oh no, too full. What should I throw out? Butter potato. And, I just plant this tree here. Yeah. I don't want to poisonous potato. Ah! Stop! Stop! I want you. I think I found my place where to build my home. All I have to do is build a bridge to it. Well, we're just gonna be building for this part. Yep, here we go. The entrance to my house. Oh, that's good. Going down. I need to push straight. Okay, there we go. Right here is the entrance to my home. Alright, let's make some cobblestone stairs. Huh. Like that. Ah! Oh. That scared me. Literally. There we go, my house would be right here. All I have to do is keep on digging out this stone. Wait, can I mine left? No. I'll dig a little bit, few more and dig inside. Dang it! Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm under here guys. So hopefully you have a great time watching this episode. Goodbye!